Nanti.
See, wait, we can hear. Oh, hello. Waiting for the cow. The sound. Here's Sapi. Can we see the cow back there? There's a cow somewhere right here. Sapi.
Model sapi. Yeah.
I swear I hear somewhere over here.
Ready nggak apa?
Huh?
Yeah. You can use the big. Yeah. Papa nggak nanti kakinya nggak pakai sendal?
Maybe get a little, I can change my socks if needed. I want to see the cow that I. Yeah. Perfect. Yeah.
Ini dapurnya ya. This is like the kitchen. Yeah, wanna see.
Some other things going on. What is it?
Apa tuh? Gede. She said dirty, but yeah, it's huge. Oh, that's
smoky.
The cow. Yeah.
There they are. There's two. So
they
there's
put smoke so no mosquito.
no mosquitoes, huh? Do the cows? This is like.
Ada namanya nggak? Dikasih nama nggak sapinya? They don't give names to the cows.
Yeah.
Biar namanya sapi babon. Sapi babon.
This reminds me of last night's nongkrong.
They call it baboons cows. Gede ya, gede.
Do they use the poop for fertilizer? Do they use the poop for fertilizer, the manure?
Ya, kotorannya jadi pupuk nggak? Yes. And these two are pregnant.
Both pregnant, huh?
Yeah.
More to come.
Chicken.
I think all this smoke reminds me of last night.
Full smoke.
Sapi Morocco.
See this?
I want to see what she's making here.
The stove is really good. Masak. Ibu lagi masak apa tuh, Bu? Yang ditutup?
Masak apa?
Ini nganggur nih. Enggak
lagi
nothing.
Nothing.
She's about to boil.
Rebus pisang.
Pisang.
Ya, pisang kepok.
Yeah. Boiled banana.
Oh. And then making sambal or something.
Sambal.
Sambal.
Sambal terasi.
Sambal terasi.
So this with wood.
Udang. Terasi.
Yeah, terasi udang.
Udang paste, shrimp paste. Look at the collection of cooking. What do you say, masak?
Yeah, cooking equipment. Panci, kettle.
Buat itu bikin kopi itu wingko nih bikin kopi wingko.
This is to make coffee. Wow.
Oh, roasting the
yeah,
roasting the beans. Roasting.
Yeah.
So this is for roasting coffee beans. Kopi kacang. Yeah. Not kacang. No.
She will let you try the pisang.
Oh yeah.
Pisang.
The boiled, huh? Okay, how do? Boleh? Look at that. Oh, it looks nice and soft.
Ini kopinya ini.
Udah
pada itu harus semua ya. Sing glondongan aja.
That's nice.
Enak katanya.
Enak.
Sweet, manis.
Manis.
Kepok. Pisang kepok.
Pisang kepok is the
Boiled?
No, kepok is the type of the pisang.
Tiny, kecil. Small compared to.
Yeah, but that's also more tough. So good to for boiling. Yeah.
So that's why they boil it. Make it sweeter too, probably. Maybe if it's tough, it's not too sweet. That's good. Enak, Bu.
Enak, Bu.
Enak. Iya, makasih. Enak.
Saya titip.
Makasih.
Udah banyak, Bu.
Banyak kok. Terus apa-apa ini juga dari.
Kori, this is for water. Water jug.
It's a beautiful little kettle.
Always
Beautiful,
cold.
strong.
Stay cold. The water
Warm.
inside.
Where that? Just there. Okay.
Yes. Pakan sapi.
This looks strong.
Oh, the cow will eat this.
Yeah.
Oh, it's for the cows. Yeah, that's healthy. Say hi.
Yeah. Yeah, sehat. Sehat. Kecil
Sehat.
sehat nih.
Anak aku punya kecil-kecil. Iya, enak.
Suka, yeah. Well, that was lovely. Makasih, Bu.
Ya.
Loh, masa itu? Lah, kayak gini.
Bagus. Orang mau tahu.
Oh, mau tahu.
Okay. Well, that was a lovely impromptu surprise.
Karena nggak ada di kota.
Okay, so we're gonna go back. I think I'm gonna have some breakfast
Ya, produksi kayu ya, Mbak ya.
and see. Let's see what the day has in store for us.
Production.
Food production?
Yeah.
Yeah. There's so much to see. Now I got an invite to go see some food production, right?
Yeah.
So just what, making food or is it
What
with
kind of food? Bikin makanannya apa?
I'm in.
Ini produksi kayu.
Wood production.
Wood, not food.
Yeah, not food.
Okay. Sometimes don't hear things right. Here we go. Is this jati?
Yes.
This is jati. So is the jati for the home stained? Like
Ya, di warna ya. Yang di rumah ya.
a little bit, right? Just yeah. So then this is like the actual.
Ya, there. Follow.
Because the color of jati in the house is like, it looks like cedar, but that's from like stain. Everything too. I think the outside of this place. Look at that. Wow. I don't want to go near that saw. Come in here. Getting permission to go in. Loud. The jati in here. Cool. For what? Okay. This is for something. We're gonna go check it out here. Okay. Very cool. Oh, like a post, like a, what do you call that?
I don't know.
No, I forget what it's called. Tour. Tour.
Kayu kok isinya kan kayu. Ya.
This is for the whole village.
Wow.
Jangan saya di sana.
Oh, ini bukan punya Bapak. Oh, this is not his.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Seems like jati is a big business here.
You wanna join him?
Where to?
Yeah, to his store.
Man? Already? Why don't I go over like this and then
Ya,
here?
nanti tak baliknya ke sini.
Okay. Looks like we're going somewhere else. Oh, sorry. Here we go.
Ini aturannya.
Yeah. All right, here we are. See some more production. This is all jati.
Iya, jati semua.
Jati.
Sama-sama jati semua.
Boleh?
Ya boleh.
Okay. This is a lot of production. Hey, working hard. Very hard workers. All sorts of different cuts for them to use. That is a lot of jati. On top. Very cool. All right, another invitation. It just keeps going and going. I've been invited to, I want to go see Ibu collect grass for the cows. This should be fun. All right, coming, sit, see ya. She's gonna, wonder how far we're going, we'll see. Ah, here we go. So it's just right out the door here. So I was looking at this all earlier, wondering how they use this space, but this is, they collect all the grass, and it's for feeding the cows.
Maya!
I think maybe the cows are just over in there then. We'll find out. Ah, then the rope is underneath. Hard working. It's a good healthy way to get your stress out. I don't know if they have stress in Central Java though, just working hard all the time and enjoying leisure.
Yeah. Udah.
Udah, okay, all right, yes. Makasih. All right, I was curious if we get to see the cows fed, but I think probably fine, but now how do I get back in here? Oh, I know where I'm at. It's easy to get lost. Just as soon as I step outside, I forget which doorway I came in at. It's a different type of disorientation than Jakarta though. It's a tad different. All right, so we go back in. I had my breakfast. I've already showered. I think the rest of the day is going to be just leisure and maybe wander around a bit before we get on that train. See you.